What are you guys doing?
Well, here's one.
You're what?
I forgot about this.
Bea, what you doing?
I'm feeding them.
Yeah?
Now you all have to share.
You telling them to share?
Ow, he bited me.
Oh boy.
But
You want to go back around to the other side?
No.
Okay. There's more. Are you having fun, Andrew?
Yeah. We're putting them in this so they can eat them by themselves.
Well, these two right here are having a good snack, aren't they?
Yeah. So I'll put them in